Here's an interesting app called Shiftsmart Partner Find Work. So you can just tap Get and double click to install, and you'll be able to install it. For Get Jobs, earn with Shifts, earn more with flexible work. With Shiftsmart, find flexible, convenient work that fits your schedule across a wide variety of industries such as retail, uh, convenience, and hospitality. Whether you're ready to leave the 9 to 5 grind behind, tired of never-ending job search, or simply can't fit a full 8-hour workday into your busy schedule, you can try out this app. You'll build income, skills, and experience to become the true micro entrepreneur, joining over 2,800,000 partners around the world. Set your own schedule, know before you go. Make money in days, not weeks. Learn new skills, unlock premium shifts. So, yeah, that's basically the idea. There are a bunch of apps in this category. So, yeah, just go to this app, just bringing your attention to this. I don't think, yeah, I think it works mainly in US, and then you can just tap get started. Uh, you need to, you can also just enter manually just for you to understand, um, and then just sign up using this process. Just you need your phone number, first name, last name, email, birthday, password, and yeah, so then that's the idea.